Department of Agriculture to assist them and give them technical assistance and some financial help on how to develop the farming system that they are initially putting up. So yun yung mga pwedeng magawang tulong dyan. And of course, we have to help them in logistics, in finding the markets for their produce. Yun ang mga pwede natin magawa. And hindi naman kailangan kaning agad eh. Dahil we have also noticed a big leap on bottled sardines. Not only sardines but also bangus and yung tawilis, no? Pwede silang pag walang kaning, edi yung bottling ng iba-ibang mga varieties of fish naman ang gawin nila. And if you will notice, if you will go to even the biggest supermarkets, there is a shelf now. A lot of brands of bottled sardines, bangus, and tawilis, they are abound. Mackerel, ganyan. So, pwede siguro sila divert into that kind of activity. Oo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.